Fast phone charging stations are becoming increasingly popular in public spaces such as airports, shopping centers, and universities. There are many products available to choose fast phone charging stations, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best fast phone charging stations from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 4-port USB charging station, fast charging dock. The Poweroni charging station is a versatile solution for keeping your devices powered up. With 7 included charging cables, you can easily connect Apple and Android devices, helping to maintain a tidy workspace. Its 6 smart USB ports deliver rapid charging speeds, ensuring your devices receive optimal power efficiently. The built-in LED indicators let you know when your devices are fully charged, adding convenience by preventing overcharging. Plus, the universal compatibility means you can use it with a variety of devices, making it a practical choice for any tech user. Number 2. 320W charging station for multiple devices. The Zobraz USB-C charger is an efficient solution for keeping all your devices powered up. With 10 ports, including 5 USB-C options, you can charge multiple gadgets at once, eliminating clutter and the need for various chargers. Its dual 65W fast charging capability ensures your laptops and smartphones get powered quickly, making it ideal for busy users. The sturdy design features wider slots that accommodate larger devices, while non-slip pads keep the station stable. This makes it perfect for any setting, whether at home or in the office. Number 3. 300W USB-C charging station for multiple devices. The Luxio USB-C charger is designed to meet all your charging needs with its 8 ports, including 5 USB-C options. This allows you to charge multiple modern devices simultaneously, making it perfect for households with various gadgets. Its sturdy construction features specially designed slots that accommodate thicker devices, ensuring a secure fit even with cases. Additionally, the sleek design with anti-slip pads helps keep your workspace organized and free from cable clutter, making it an excellent choice for any desk or nightstand. Number 4. Alxem USB Fast Charging Station. The Alxem charging station is designed to meet your charging needs with its impressive features. With Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology, you can efficiently charge your devices, reaching a full charge in just 21 minutes. The station includes adjustable dividers, allowing you to organize your devices neatly, which is especially useful in busy environments like homes and schools. The UL-certified power adapter ensures safety with multiple protection features, giving you peace of mind while charging. Additionally, this station can handle charging up to 10 cell phones or 4 iPads simultaneously, making it perfect for families or shared spaces. Number 5. Charging station for multiple devices. The Enripert USB-C charger is designed for fast and efficient charging of multiple devices. With 3 powerful 20W PD USB-C ports, you can quickly charge up to 3 devices at once, achieving up to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Its 6-port design combines both USB-C and USB-A ports, eliminating messy cables and freeing up outlet space. You'll also appreciate the included 7 mixed charging cables, allowing you to connect various devices without purchasing additional accessories. Plus, built-in safety features protect against overcharging and overheating, ensuring your devices remain safe while charging.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.